What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jag, and today I'm finna show you how to get freeform dreads, man. Towel method, no beeswax, none of that used. And let's start a little. First, I'm gonna try doing plain towel method. Alright, there's two products you can use. You can either use grease or you can use castor oil. But I wouldn't prefer to use this though, because it just make your hair extra greasy. But castor oil gets you right though, because it got, basically the same thing, but it's better though. But it keeps your hair in place. Castor oil. You know what I'm saying? But if your hair good enough, you can do it without castor oil or grease. It depends on your hair texture. But I'm finna show you though how to do this. So first thing you gonna need, my bad. You're gonna need a towel. Once you get the towel, you're gonna go like this, the towel. Put it in your hair, start rubbing circle of motion. I repeat, some people here don't need products at all. Like I said, some people prefer to put products in here. If you just got good, coarse curled hair, it's gonna happen. But I'm gonna just show you what happens when you put castor oil in your hair, though. All right, I got the container. I'm finna open it up. So what you wanna do if you do use castor oil? You ain't gonna wanna use too much of this, but you're gonna wanna use some though if you wanna get your hair right on freeforms. That's how to start freeform or start dreads without clips or no twisting, just self-twisting with a towel. That's all you gotta do. You just rub it in. And it's good for your hair too. It make your hair grow quick. I'm mixed. I'm really not fully black. My grandma was white and Indian. My grandfather, he was black. So that's how I ended up got black in my DNA. Get the good mark. But yeah, take two, whatever, how much you think you need, but I need 2 dips. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back with this towel. Start twisting. Make sure you're going to a circle of motion with it. I'm gonna speed the video up. Alright, these are my results. I don't know how good they look, but I kept twisting, towel method. And see what you wanna do. This is what I do. I twist them real good the first time, and then I'll let 2 or 3 weeks go by, basically a whole month, you know what I'm saying? Then I just redo it again, put more, just let it grow, you know what I'm saying? Don't mess with it too much, I wash your hair, but don't wash it too much because you could wash the stuff up, then your hair become all loose and junky. But the reason why I did towel method plain at first, because you want to just see if you just got good hair, just to twist up. Because some people don't probably even need hair products, none of that, just twist their hair. You can just have good hair, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I hope y'all like this video, man. Subscribe, man. Jag is out. I hope y'all really like this video, man. I got more videos, freeforms to come though. So man, stay tuned, man, and be posting. I'm out, man.